Wow, I can't believe this moment is finally here. Today, I'm holding something truly special. Our 100K subscriber silver play button from YouTube. And this award is not just mine, it's ours. I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you. From the first subscriber to the 100,000th, thank you. Your support, your comments, your likes, your shares, your encouragement, it all means so much to me. You've been with me through every step, whether it's making powerful organic compost or growing healthy vegetables. And I couldn't have reached this milestone without you. I read all your comments, I learned from you, and I'm inspired by you. This journey is a community effort, and together, we've grown something incredible. I was just mixing compost at home, and suddenly, a UPS truck stopped right in front of my house. Wait, what's this? I wasn't expecting anything. Wow, it's here. The 100K award from YouTube. And I was just out here making compost like any other day. This is incredible. And it's all because of you. Everyone who supported me from day one. Thank you so much. And here come my kids. My son wearing his favorite red t-shirt, and my other son in the gray long-sleeve t-shirt, bringing their friends over to celebrate with us. Seeing my kids so excited makes this moment even more special. This 100K award isn't just for me, it's for all of us. Thank you so much for your support. This is our achievement. Whether it's composting, growing vegetables, or just learning together. Thank you for making this possible. Let's keep growing. Thanks for watching. God bless you.